In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if the C drive is full and showing a red bar on the screen. So what do I mean by this? So go to this PC, and as you can see here, my local disk is this is 500 gigs of a memory stick, NVMe M.2 stick. I have 500, so I'm pretty much like over halfway, under halfway. This drive can't math, but I'm over halfway, 50 or over 50% usage of this stick because this is where my system files are. So local disk C is 50%. As you can see, it's still at the blue. Same with my storage D. This is pretty much where I store all my files. It is 1 terabyte, and I'm not even halfway there. So I'm gonna post a screenshot of drive C that is on the red. So what that means is that your drive C, there's no issue with it. The only reason why it's red is because it's almost full. So if you have a lot of files installed, right? For example, you have a lot of games, right? As you can see here, I only have a handful because I don't play. I'm very busy. I don't play that many games. I actually play like 1 or 2. I have Teamfight Tactics and Minecraft, sometimes League. So if you have any games that you're not playing, uninstall them. Right. So how do you do this? For example, I mean, I am not playing 7 Days to Die right now because I don't have a GPU. I'm about to buy it in like a week. So add or remove programs. Click on that, and just wait for it to load. As you see, this is 7 Days to Die. It's a pretty good game. Click on the 3 dots on the right, and then click on install. It's gonna ask for Steam. Uninstall, yes. Yes. And it's going to be uninstalled, right? There you go. So it's not there anymore. Gonna move that up, and that's gonna give you a bit more space. But again, if there are any games or any software or any program that you are not using, delete them, uninstall them, because that's just gonna take up space, and you're gonna be on the red. Another way to do this is click on Start, and then type in this cleanup, and it's going to appear here. Just click on that, and this cleanup drive C, of course, because we're talking about C. Click OK. It's calculating, and as you can see here, it's going to show you some files that you don't need. So you can just click everything here, and it's going to clean out files or temporary files that you are not using. This is another way of doing it, and then just click OK. And yeah, those are the 2 easiest ways to do this. If you see videos that, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that, that's super overcomplicated, they're lying. The bar is just because you have clutter in it. You have too many files in it. Now, if you have too many files, maybe get an external hard drive, or maybe get a flash drive to store maybe Word documents or whatever in it, and so that you can avoid clutter. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.